kujeti siku moja. Toa mgonjwa wako niende naye. Mupeleke Mariakani.
Kigomano-ini gya kwaririria sekta ya ugima wa mwiri bururi-ini, maundu megie ugima wa mwiri maigirirwo metha-ini.
Tusaidie tupate hata mahali pakuwa tunalala tukikuja kwa hospitali.
Githiniko kia arwaru a murimu wa kansa kiamurikwo na kinyi guku minista wa ugima wa mwiri agitikira ati arwaru acio ni marathinika kuona ati marerigirira thibitari ya Kenyatta tukuheo urigiti.
I can tell you chemotherapy can be given at any level, but because people have to come to Kenyatta National Hospital, it leads to that. Radiation therapy, if we have the regional centers, the complex part is the planning for treatment, where the oncologists who are few can plan the treatment. But if we have machines in Nyeri, the coast, in Coast General Kakamega, that treatment can be planned and the patient is given that treatment closer to home.
No na kuri uguo Kenya mena mwihoko wa kurua na murimu uyu thutha wa minista ucio kuga ati thirikari ni gathikite mashini cia guthuthuria kansa ya nyondo thiini wa counties itiganite.
There is a national cancer program which has been set up, and this is going to address early diagnosis, prevention and treatment by scaling up among the equipment we are putting in, how at the primary healthcare level cancer can be diagnosed.
Thirikari oroho niretira kuheana utungata wa atumia kugia ciana hatari marihi guku ikiuga ikuo cia atumia magiciara ni nyihanyihite.
Mothers who are dying in this country have dropped from 6,000 to 4,000 annually, and that translates to 2,000 lives of pregnant mothers being saved, unlike before where we used to talk figures of 400 or 200.
Mage maria thirikari retira kuhota gukinyaniria ni namba nene ya Kenya kwiyandikithia na NHIF, thibitari cia county kuheo mashini cia dialysis na kunyihanyihia ikuo cia ciana kumana na njanjo itiganite.
But I want to recognize that there is still ground to be covered, and this ground has to be covered gradually over a period.
No na thirikari igitiagira maundu maya Kenya ni makoretwo magithinika kumana na migomo ya ihinda kwa ihinda iria ikoretwo ikigumira counties itiganite. Migomo eno ikoretwo ikiumana na marihi, kwaga indo njiganu cia kuruta wira na kwaga kuhaicio ngathi hari aruti a wira. Handũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV njĩtagwo Monica Kagoni.